Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, dear students, in today's video, we are going to discuss some 1 mark, 2 mark, and 3 marks questions related to the topic pair of linear equations in two variables. And this video will be helpful for your preparation for the final board exam. Okay. Yes, shall we start? Already we have learned this chapter and already we have solved so many questions, right? And today we are going to solve some 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 marks questions. Yes, so pair of linear equations in two variables. Then what do you mean by linear equation? That already we know. Yes or no? The algebraic equation of the type ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to b 0 and b are the real numbers and x is a variable is called linear equation of one variable. Here we are using one variable, right? Only x is there, right? So these type of equations are having only one solutions. For example, see 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. If I transfer, what do you mean by equation? In equation, we are going to have three parts. That is LHS part and equal to sign and RHS part, right? So here, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means I will transfer this 5 to this side. So it will be minus 5, right? So x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Then if I substitute the value of x in place of this equation, then 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So I will substitute x is equal to minus 5 here. Minus 5 divided by 2. Then what will happen? Minus 5 divided by 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Then minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 and plus 5 will get cancelled. What you will get? So 0 is equal to 0. Here LHS part is equal to RHS part. That means when you are having LHS part is equal to RHS part, that value we call it as solution of that equation, right? So here, which one is the solution? X is equal to minus 5 divided by 2 is the equation for, is the solution for this equation. So for linear equations, how many solutions it has? It has only one solution. For quadratic equation, it has two solutions, right? Okay, next. Pair of linear equations. Pair means two equations, right? Pair of linear equations in two variables. Here we are going to consider two variables. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is the example for pair of linear equations. And x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is first equation and x minus 2y is equal to 3. See, this is a first equation and this is second equation. If I consider two equations, then it is a pair of linear equations. Why it is a linear equation? Because here variable power is a 1, right? So highest power is 1. So for that it is a linear equation and we are going to consider two variables here, x and y, right? So pair of linear equations in two variables. And here A, B, C are real numbers. Then what is the general form for pair of linear equations in two variable? That is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. This is very, very important. So pair general form for pair of linear equations in two variables, right? So A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are real numbers here. Okay, remember. Next. Two lines in a plane. So if I draw a graph for these two equations, then I will get three chances. That means two lines will intersect each other, or two lines will parallel to each other, or two lines will be coincident. That means will coincident or will be overlapping on one another. The two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. The two lines will be intersect at one point. The two lines will not intersect, that is they are parallel, and the two lines will be coincident. These three chances can happen when you plot a graph for a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, yes. Now, without plotting a graph, we can tell that which type of graph it is. That means which type of solutions it has and whether it is consistent or inconsistent or dependent. So by comparing the ratios only, I can tell that which type of graph and which type of nature it has, right? So comparing the ratios, that means a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two are the pair of linear equations. Here, a1 divided by a2. If I compare a1 divided by a2 is and b1 divided by b2. If a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, then it has two lines that is intersecting each other at a particular point. That means it has unique solution, right? Unique solution means what? It will intersect at a particular point. Here you will get x value and y value, right? So such type of graphs has unique solution, and that type of graphs are consistent. Okay. If a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2, then coincident lines you will get, and that type of graphs are infinite solutions, that has infinite solutions and consistent. Whether they are consistent or dependent, they are dependent. Okay. If a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, but it is not equal to c1 divided by c2, then you will have parallel lines and it has no solutions and graphs are inconsistent. Okay, the lines are inconsistent. Remember, this is very, very important. Now we'll solve some multiple choice questions. If two equations have exactly one solution and are in the form a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, then they are. Okay, so if the lines have a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, then the lines are, whether they are coincident lines or intersecting lines or transversal line or parallel lines. Yes, which type of lines it has? The two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, remember, two lines are intersecting. If two equations have no solutions and are in the form a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, but it is not equal to c1 divided by c2, then they are, yes, my dear students, when you will have such type of condition, then two lines are parallel lines. Yes or no? Two lines are parallel lines. In general form of pair of linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 are, yes, a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 are real numbers here. Okay. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 2 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically. Okay. We need to represent the situation algebraically, means in the form of equation, right? So, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats. So, bats we will consider it as X. Bats X, and ball we'll consider it as Y. So in first situation, 3 bats plus 6 balls is equal to for rupees 3,900. And in second situation, that is she buys another bat. Another bat means one bat, that is X, plus 2 more balls. 2 more balls means 2Y is equal to 1,300. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So such type of questions will ask for 1 mark. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then the lines are, okay. So here we need to compare the ratios. Then we'll check whether they are parallel or coincident or intersecting. So first we'll compare the ratios. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Then 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so here a1 divided by a2. a1 divided by a2 is 1 divided by 2 and b1 divided by b2 is 2 divided by 4 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 1 divided by 2, and C1 divided by C2. C1 divided by C2, that is minus 4 divided by minus 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are, that means minus and minus will get cancelled. Here you will have 1 by 3. Now, when you observe the ratios, A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Yes or no? A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Yes. Now, the lines are parallel. Yes or no? So, lines are parallel to each other. Next, if the lines are 3x plus 2 ky minus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0 are parallel, then the value of k. So when the lines are parallel, when the lines are having the condition a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, a1 divided by A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Then only lines are parallel. Okay. So here 3x plus 2ky minus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now, when you compare the ratios, A1 divided by A2. So A1 divided by A2 is, the A1 value is 3, A2 value is 2, right? Now, B1 divided by B2. B1 value is 2k divided by 5. Now, C1 divided by C2, that is minus 2 divided by 1. Minus 2 divided by 1. So here, for parallel lines, the condition should be A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. We need to equate these two ratios. That means 3 divided by 2 and B1 divided by B2 value will also be equal to 3 divided by 2. Then only it will be a parallel line. So for that, what I should do? I need to substitute the value of k here in order to get the value 3 divided by 2. So we'll go through the option. 2k by 5. 2k by 5. So option first is 4. So if I substitute 4 divided by 15 in place of k, so 2k divided by 5. If I substitute 4 divided by 15 in place of k, 2 into 4 divided by 15, what I will get? So 8 divided by 15. So this is not possible. Next, 15 divided by 4. 2 into 15 divided by 4. That means 30 divided by 4. So 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. That means 15 divided by 2. So this is also not possible. If I substitute k is equal to 4 by 5. So 2 into 4 divided by 5. That is 2 fours are 8 divided by 5. Then, if I substitute k is equal to 5 by 4, that means 2 into 5 by 4. So 10 divided by 4, 5s are 2s are. Sorry. Here already 5 is there, na? Wait for it. See, A1 divided by A2 value is 3 by 2. Okay. Then B1 divided by B2, we need to check. That is 2k divided by. So if I substitute k is equal to 4 by 5, 2 into 4 divided by 5 into 15, then what you will get? 8 divided by 75. Okay. This is not possible. So if I substitute k is equal to 15 divided by 5 into 4, that is 5 ones are 5 threes are. 2 twos are 2 ones are. That is 3 divided by 2. So here A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2. But C1 divided by C2 value is minus 2 divided by 1. So A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. So which option is right here? Option B is right. Okay, next. The solutions of the equation. Wait for a minute. Yes, solutions of the equation. Solutions of the equation x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4 are solutions. So so here two equations they have given, and we need to find out the value of x and value of y, right? So that are the solutions for this equation. So for that, what I will do, I will use here elimination method. Why? Because here minus y and plus y is there. Therefore, these two will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. So substitute the value of x in equation number 1. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So 3 minus y is equal to 2. Now y minus y is equal to 2 minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 1. Right? So y is equal to 1. So here x value is 3 and y value is 1. So which option is right here? X value is 3 and y value is 1. So option A is right. If x is equal to A and y is equal to B is the solution of the equation x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4, then the value of A and B are respectively. So here substitute x is equal to A, right? So in the equation, x is equal to A means x minus y is equal to 2. So A minus y value is B here, right? A minus B is equal to 2 and A plus B is equal to 4. Why? Because x is equal to A and y is equal to B they have given. So here also use elimination method. B and B will get cancelled. 2A is equal to 6 you will have. So A is equal to 3. Now substitute the value of A in equation number 1. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So 3 minus B is equal to 2. Again minus B is equal to 2 minus 3. So minus B is equal to minus 1. So minus and minus will get cancelled. B is equal to 1. That means you will have 3, 1. So 3 and 1. Which option is right here? Option C is right. Okay. Now pair of linear equations with infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. When you will have infinitely many solutions? When two lines are coincident. Okay. Then you will have infinitely many solutions. So for that condition should be A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That means all ratios are equal. Okay. 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Now, if I compare A1 divided by A2, then this is 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? B1 divided by B2 minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. So here A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. So this is wrong, right? So what I want, that is A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2, right? Next, see A1 divided by A2. A1 is 3, B1 is A1 divided by A2. So A1 value is 3 divided by 3, that is 1. B1 divided by B2. So B1 value is minus 4 here and B2 value is also minus 4. So minus 4 divided by minus 4. Then also you will have 1. Then try with C1 divided by C2. C1 divided by C2 is, C1 value is minus 6 and C2 value is plus 6. So here it is minus 1. So A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. So this option is also wrong. X minus y plus 10, x minus y plus 10. So looking into the equation only, I can tell that these two equations are having coincident lines. Why? Because all the ratios are equal here. See here, A1 divided by A2. What is A1 value? A1 value is 1 and A2 value is also 1. So 1. B1 divided by B2. So B1 value is minus 1 divided by minus 1. Here also it is 1. Like that, C1 divided by C2 is equal to 10 divided by 10. Here also you will have 1. So here all the ratios are equal. That means such type of equations are having coincident lines. Okay. Infinitely many solutions. So option C is right. The pair of linear equation 5x plus 10y is equal to 12 and 15 plus 15x, it is 15x plus 30y is equal to 10 have which type of solutions, right? So here also we'll compare the ratios. That is 5x plus 10y is equal to 12 and 15x plus the 30y is equal to 10. So A1 divided by A2. A1 value is 5, A2 value is 15. So 5 ones are 5 threes are, that is 1 divided by 3. B1 divided by B2 value is 10 divided by 30. So 10 ones are 10 threes are. Here also it is 1 by 3. Like that C1 divided by C2. C1 divided by C2 is 12 divided by 10. So 2 5s are 2 6 are. That means here it is 6 divided by 5, right? C1 divided by C2 is 6 divided by 5. So now here we got A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. So which type of lines you will have? Parallel lines. So for parallel lines, how many solutions it has? It has no solutions, right? So option C is right. Now the pair of equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, right? So here also which type of pair it has, whether they are consistent or inconsistent or dependent, okay, or independent. Here also we'll check the ratios. A1 divided by A2 is 2 divided by 3. B1 divided by B2 is minus 3 divided by 2. That means A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. So A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2 means lines are intersecting each other. So when lines are intersecting each other, it has consistent pair, right? Option A is right. Next, from the pair of linear equations for the following problem and find their solution by using substitution method. Okay, so these such type of questions will ask for 2 marks. Here, what they have given, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Okay, so here two numbers are there. Then difference between two numbers they have given, that is 26. Okay, so let us consider first number be x. We don't know which number, what numbers it has, right? So let first number be x, first number be x, right? So difference between two numbers, that is second number be y. Okay, we'll consider second number be y. Second number be 1. Then difference between two numbers, that I will take it as y minus x. Okay, y minus x is equal to 26. Next, one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other means y is equal to 3x. So y means it is one number. It is 3 times the other. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what I will do, I will substitute the equation number 2 into the equation number 1, right? By using substitution method, right? Substitute y in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 3x minus x is equal to 26. So 3x minus x is 2x, that is equal to 26. So x is equal to 26 divided by 2. Then you will have 13. So x value is 13. Now in order to get the y value, what I should do here? I will substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Okay. So value of x in equation number 2. That is y is equal to 3 into 13. So 13 3s are 39. So y value is 39. That two numbers are x is equal to 13 and y is equal to 39. Right. Next. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, so this question is also for 2 marks, elimination method. So for elimination method, first we need to write the equation 5y is equal to 4. Transfer this minus 4 to this side. Then 9x, transfer this 2y to this side. Then 2y is equal to 7. Okay. Now, so in elimination method, what we are going to do, we are eliminating one value that is x or y. So for that, first we need to equate the variable value, right? So for that, what I will do, here 9x is there, here 3x is there. If I multiply by 3, then I will have 9x. So 3 into 3, that is 9x minus 3 5s are 15y is equal to 4 3s are 12. Then 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. 9x is 9x is there, 9x is there. So I will change the signs. Okay. So 9x and 9x will get cancelled. 15 plus 2, that is minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13y is equal to 12 divided by 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Therefore, y value is 5 divided by 13. So here minus is there. So minus 5 divided by 13. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Okay. So this is equation number 1. I will call this is equation number 1 and 2. This is 2 and this is 3 and 4. Okay. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 1. That is 3x minus 5 into minus 5 divided by 13 is equal to 4. Right. So 3x minus into minus plus 25 divided by 13 is equal to 4. Right. Now 3x is equal to 4 minus, transfer this 25 divided by 13 to this side, then it is minus 13, minus 25 divided by 13. Now 3x is equal to 13 fours are 52 minus 25 divided by 13. Right? So 52 minus 25. 52 minus 25 is 7, 27. So 3x is equal to 27 divided by 13. Now transfer this 3 to this side. So 27 divided by 13 into 3. Right? 3 ones are 3 nines are. So 9 divided by 13. 9 divided by 13 is the value of x and minus 5 divided by 13 is the value of y. Okay, this is by elimination method. Next, 5 years hence, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of the age of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Okay, so now here two persons are there. That is, one is Jacob and another one is his father, right? So consider Jacob's age is X. Jacob's age is X. Okay. And his son's age is Y. Age is Y. Now, 5 years hence. So 5 years hence means after 5 years. So x plus 5 is equal to y plus 5. So 5 years hence, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times. So 3 times that of his son. So this is x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. Now x, transfer this 3 by to this side and 5 to this side, that is 15 minus 5. So x plus x minus 3y is equal to 10. Okay, call this as equation number 1. Now 5 years ago means x minus 5 is equal to y minus 5. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 7 times that of his son. So x minus 5u is equal to 7y minus 35. Here also transfer the 7 to this side. 7y is equal to minus 35u plus 5u. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Call this as equation number 2. Okay. Now, equation number 2. Now, from equation 1. Okay. So, from equation number 1, consider consider this equation, that is x is equal to 10 minus 3y. Right. So minus 3, if I transfer this minus 3 to this side, then it is plus 3y. So 10 plus 3y. Call this as equation number 3. Okay. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Substitute the value of x in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So x value is 10 plus 3y. 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Right? Wait. So here, sorry, here I am doing. Now, 10 plus 10 plus 3y minus 7y is minus 4y is equal to minus 30. Now, minus 4y is equal to minus 30. Transfer this 10 to this side, then it is minus 10. So, 4y is equal to minus 40. So, y is equal to minus 40 divided by minus 4. So, minus and minus will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 tens are. That means y is equal to 10 you will get. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 3 in order to get the value of x. So equation number 3 is x is equal to 10 plus 3y. Y value is 10 here. So 10 plus 30. So 10 plus 30 is 50. Right? 10 plus 30 is 50. So this is the value of x. X means this is the Jacob's age. Right? Jacob's age. X is equal to 50 and his son's age is, son's age we consider it as y, right? So son's age 10. Okay. Now 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Substitution method. Okay. Solve by substitution method. Or you can ask, or they may ask for, so they may ask it as a solve by elimination method. Or both the methods they will ask for one question only. That is for 3 marks or 4 marks. Okay. Here they have asked substitution method. So for that, first what we need to do here, is first we will remove this decimal point. Yes, so decimal point is after 1 digit. So we'll remove this. How? By 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. In all the cases, decimal point is after 1 digit, right? So what we will do here, we'll multiply this equation by 10 and here also we'll multiply this equation by 10. Then 10 into 0.2 is 2x. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23, right? Now, call this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, from equation number 1, here we are using substitution method. So, from equation number 1, 2x is equal to 13. I will transfer this y to this side. Then it is minus 3y, right? So x is equal to 13 minus 3y. We'll transfer this 2 to this side, that is divided by 2. This is equation number 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Substitute value of x in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is 4 into 13 minus 3y divided by 2 Okay, plus 5y is equal to 23. Now, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 13 twos are 26 minus 3 into 2, that is 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. So 26 minus 6y plus 5y is minus y is equal to 23. So minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. So minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 3 you will get. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 3, right? So substitute the value of y in equation number 3 in order to get the value of x. Okay. So here I will do substitute value of y in equation number 3. So equation number 3 is x is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. So 13 minus 6 divided by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 13 minus 3 is see, so sorry. See, 3 into 3 it is 9, right? So I can't cancel. So 13 minus 9 divided by 2. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means y value is 2 here. Okay. Y value is 2 and x value is, so this is x, this is x. X value is 2 and y value is 3. Okay. So this question can be asked for 2 marks. Next. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Okay. Is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. So garden is in the form of, in the shape of rectangle, right? In the shape of rectangle, and perimeter of the rectangle they have given, that is 36 meter, and length is 4 times more than its width. Okay. Let width of the garden, will consider it as x. Okay. Let width of the garden, will consider it as x, and length be y. Length be y. Okay. So what they have given, length is 4 times or 4 meter more than its width. Therefore, length y is equal to x plus 4. Okay. So length 4 meter more than its width. If width is x, then it is y is equal to x plus 4. Now y is equal to x plus 4. So perimeter they have given. So perimeter of the rectangle garden. Perimeter they have given. So perimeter is 36. Okay. So in formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle is 2x plus 2y. And here it is half of the perimeter. That means divided by 2 is equal to 36. Now here 2 is common. So 2 into x plus y divided by 2. Two and 2 will get cancelled. So x plus y is equal to 36 you will have. Now, so x plus y is equal to 36. Therefore, y is equal to 36 minus x. So this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Now, we'll form two tables for these two equations. So first consider equation number 1, that is y is equal to x plus 4. Right. We'll draw one table. That is, if x is equal to 0, this is x, this is y. If x is equal to 0, what will happen? 0 plus 4 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. So x value is 0, y value is 4. If x is equal to 2, I will take. 2 plus 4 is 6. If x is equal to 3, what will happen? 3 plus 4 is 7. And x is equal to, we'll take big value. That is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And x is equal to 8. Then it is 8 plus 4 is 12. And x is equal to 16. Then it is 20. Right. Next, we'll take another equation, that is y is equal to 36 minus x. For this equation also, we'll draw one table. This is x, this is y. If x is equal to 0, then y value is 36. If x is equal to 10, see, since it is the big value, so we'll take big value only. 36 minus 10, that is 26. If x is equal to 16, then it will be 20. Then 36 minus, if I take 36, then 36 minus 36 is 0. Okay, 16, if I take 16 is 16, then value of y is 20. Now observe carefully. These two tables, which value of x and y are same here? If I take x is equal to 16, y value is 20. Here also, if I take x is equal to 16, y is equal to 20. Y value is 20. That means if I plot a graph for these two equations, then I will get intersecting lines. And that two lines will intersect at point 16 and 20, remember. Okay. So the lines are, if lines are intersecting, then the pairs are consistent, right? So these lines are consistent. These lines are consistent. And it has unique solutions. And it has unique solutions, right? Unique solutions. Okay, unique solutions. So here x means we consider it as width. So width x is equal to 16 and length is x plus 4, that is y is equal to 16 plus 4, that is equal to 20 meter. So width is 16 meter and y is equal to 20 meter. Next. Now we'll solve. Okay, already I have solved such type of questions. Now we'll solve one graphical question. So this question is very important and this question can be asked for 5 marks, okay, or 4 marks. So following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, then obtain the solution graphically. So first we need to check whether they are consistent or not. For that, what we need to do? We need to check the ratios. So A1 divided by A2. A1 value is 1, A2 value is 2. So 1 divided by 2. B1 divided by B2 is also 1 divided by 2. And C1 divided by C2. 5 divided by 10. That is also 1 divided by 2. That means here all the ratios are equal. Therefore, lines are having coincidence. So lines are coincident. Then it has infinite number of solutions. Hence the pair is consistent. So we'll consider two equations, x plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus x. How to plot the graph? That already we know. First, we will prepare one table for equation 1 and also we'll prepare one table for equation 2, right? So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now y is equal to 5 minus x. If x is equal to 2, then 5 minus 2, that is 3. If x is equal to 3, then 5 minus 3 is 2. If x is equal to 4, then 5 minus 4 is 1. Like that, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Okay, transfer this 2 to this side. Then 10 minus 2x divided by 2 is the value of y. Now, if I take x is equal to 2, 10 minus 2 into 2, that is 4. 10 minus 4 divided by 2 is 6 divided by 2, that is 3. If I take x is equal to 3, then 2 3s are 6. So 10 minus 6 divided by 2 is 4 by 2, that is 2. If I take x is equal to 4, so 10 minus 8 divided by 2, that is 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So observe carefully. Here only we can tell that all lines are coincident. That means all ratios are equals. Since ratios are equal, we are getting coincident lines. Here also, by looking into the table only, we can tell that the two lines are coincident. If I plot a graph for this, these two equations, then I will get such type of graphs. So these two lines are coincident. Okay. So how to plot a graph? That already we know. Yes or no, x-axis, y-axis, and x dash, y dash. Okay. Next, the cost of 2 kg, wait for a minute, 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is for 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. That means algebraically means in the form of equation and a graph. So let the cost of the apples per kg, will consider it as x, and grapes and the cost of the grapes will consider it as y. So then the algebraic representation is 2 kg apples, that is 2x plus 1 kg grapes, 2x plus y is equal to 160. So next, 4 kg of apples, 4x plus 2 kg of grapes, 2y is equal to 300. Now 2x plus y is equal to 160. So y is equal to 160 minus 2x. So this is equation number 1. Here also we'll prepare two tables for these two equations. So when I take x value is 50. So 2 into 50 is 100. 160 minus 100 is 60. So if I take x is equal to 60, then 120. 160 minus 120 is 40. If I take x is equal to 70, then it is 140. So 160 minus 140 is 20. So like that, 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. Then y is equal to 300 minus 4x divided by 2 is the value of y. Here if I take x is equal to 70. Okay. So 300 minus 280 divided by 2, that is 10. So the 80. 300 minus 320 divided by 2. That means 20 divided by 2 is minus 10. So like that, when 75, then it is 0. Now, if I plot a graph for these two equations, then I will have such type of graphs. So here, all the ratios are different. That means A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2 you will get. So then you will have parallel lines. Okay. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. If 50, x is equal to 50, then the value of y is 60. So when you plot for these values, then you will have such type of graphs. So this question can be asked for 4 marks. Okay. Remember. Yes, my dear students. Today I solved some 1 mark questions, 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions. Okay. So this video will be helpful for your preparation for the final board exam, and study well. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.